these are good to know facts of how much you want to invest today in terms of SIPs or lump sum investments, so that your future goals are taken care of. हेलो, वेलकम बैक टू सीजन 2 ऑफ स्कूल ऑफ थॉट। हम इस वीडियो में एक और गोल कवर करेंगे, विच इज चाइल्ड एजुकेशन। नाउ आई विल टेक माय एग्जांपल ओनली। माय डॉटर Amira is 5 years old today, right? I'm planning for a graduation and post graduation. For both, I've taken an expense of 1 crore in today's term. I've taken an inflation of 7.5%. And I've taken a return from the markets or instruments that I invest into at 15%, right? My daughter is 5. She will require the money when she turns 18. That too not in a lump sum, but I've taken at 18. 1 crore of sum at 7.5% inflation, expected return of the instrument at 15%. So for this, now what does the planning calculation corresponds to? कि आज जो मुझे 1 करोड़ रुपए चाहिए, वो जब मेरी डॉटर 18 साल की हो जाएगी तो मेरे को कुछ 2 करोड़ 62 लाख चाहिए होंगे, कीपिंग इन माइंड दी इन्फ्लेशन। अब इसको अचीव करने के लिए या तो मैं 38 लाख लंप सम आज डाल दूं इन एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच गिव्स मी 15% पर एनम फॉर द नेक्स्ट फ्यू ईयर्स, या फिर मैं पर मंथ SIP करूं 55,000 की, राइट? सो आपने देखा कि फॉर ग्रेजुएशन प्लानिंग आई नीड टू डू अबाउट 55,000 per month, right? My goals will be achieved. My daughter's graduation will be done, right? Now coming to post-graduation. So if you look at your screen, she's 5 right now. Her post-graduation starts when she becomes 21. I have again taken a 1 crore kind of a expense in today's terms. Now this I have taken because I find in international education, this is the sum that you require. I've taken inflation at 7.5. I've taken expected return at 15. Now, if you look at the entire calculation for achieving this, so जो आज 1 करोड़ रुपए का cost है, वो when Amira turns 21 will be equivalent to 3 crore 28 lakhs approximately, for which either I have to do a lump sum today of 31 lakhs research, or I have to do an SIP of 41,000. So, if I do an SIP of 41,000, my the education planning for my daughter, which is for her post-graduation, is sorted, right? So if you want to use this tool, this is a helpful tool. We'll put this links in the comments below, in the description box below. You can do your own analysis. But these are good to know facts of how much you want to invest today in terms of SIPs or lump sum investments, so that your future goals are taken care of. I feel everybody who is following this channel should complete this exercise. If you want to contact our team, you can contact our team as well. They'll finish this exercise for you. But I feel that you should have an idea of what we are talking about in terms of savings, right? I hope we were able to add some value to it, to your lives, in whatever way we could. If we did, please click the subscribe button, comment. Let us know आपको ये वीडियोस कैसी लग रही है, कमेंट करके बताइए। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे आपको हेल्प करें या आप उस पर कोई वीडियो बनाएं, तो हमें कमेंट करके बताइए कि किस टॉपिक्स पे हम वीडियो बनाएं आपके लिए। हम ज़रूर उस टॉपिक से वीडियोस बनाएंगे। सो प्लीज़ क्लिक ऑन द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड द बेल आइकन if you need regular updates from us. Cheers, and this is me signing off.